Hi guys, so I've had the idea of doing 7 uploads in 7 days, and I need you guys to let me know what you want me to talk about. Now I've got some questions and stuff that people have been asking on the comments, and I want to do one of the videos as a bit of a Q&A. So if you have any like individual specific questions, just pop them below in the comments, and I'll couple them all together and do a video on that one. So that's going to be one of them. I have got a couple of ideas for a couple of other videos, so that's going to be probably 3 or 4 videos taken up, but I need some ideas. So if there's anything that you've maybe heard me talk about and you want me to go a little bit deeper, or stuff I've never talked about and you want us to have a chat, pop them in the comments. But if it can be something I can kind of chat about rather than having to do research, because I've got other bigger videos that I do research for and it's all time, and I just want to have something that's sort of in my head and I can chat about, and I can film it nice and quick and then edit it and upload it, because it takes a lot of time, to be fair. So yeah, let us know anything at all, pop them in the comments, and I'll obviously keep you informed of when I'm going to be uploading them all. Alright, thanks guys, see you in the next one.